Kia ora, my name is Allan Moore and I'm sort of the project supervisor. Back in the days where Skill New Zealand were running a training program, we used this building next to us as a training centre as well. And we were running gardening, herb growing, and today we're just moving forward and upward and starting to develop the land back to nature really. Now this tobacco weeds come back and it's worse than the gorse. There's no spray at the moment that can kill this, and we're doing it by hand. That's really labour intensive. But I've got some good people working for me. We hope to plant in native, grow our raw and stuff like that we're going to harvest for our people as well. And I'm just going back to what our old people did. Everyone had an orchard on their farm, different species of herbs and vegetables for the future. I think you just look at what happened during COVID and how hard it was to get vegetables and the price of vegetables. When you're growing it yourself, there's no cost to it. It's just time. We need to just upskill our young people. I think this is what this job is doing, getting them interested in growing their own. In the future, this place will be able to sell our plants onto the open market.